Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to look at how to identify inactive users in Microsoft Exchange Online and also in TryD. So maybe you are clearing up license, tightening the security, or just doing like some regular admin housekeeping, like to ensure who is active or who is inactive. So it's hard to do it by yourself, like manually to check each email and go to settings to each email, go to active sign in. It's hard, especially if you are working in a large company, thousands, hundreds of users. So in this video, we will check out a method. It's very easy. We including using Microsoft Admin Center and also as we said in trying just by GUI interface without using the script PowerShell. Okay, let's get started. So we are going to open the admin.microsoft.com on the home page. So we are going to expand. We are going to click on reports and then usage. After that, we have a lot of things, report of Copilot, etc. So for me, in my case, I would like to check the report by Exchange. Why? Because most of the workers in the company and user they use daily, like each day they using Exchange, Outlook to receive and send. So this is a great method. This is a great and effective to ensure that user it's still use the license and alive, it's active. Okay, and the opposite and vice versa. So maybe some users does not use in Teams or like SharePoint daily, but Outlook in Exchange, of course, effective daily. So let's go to Exchange, and then we have to expand the past, like the like 3 years, 3 months ago. And then we have a multiple choice. So for me, in my video, I will scroll up. All of this, it's useful, but the one I will use, this is scroll up, scroll down, sorry, and click on export. And then we generate a Excel worksheet with all the days we need. So report date of here, the username, you pin the email, first name, and here we go. What we need actually this last active date. So as you can see, this like for example, Tarek. Normally, this one last active date on Exchange on Outlook. It's like the 20 and the 23 and the December for the last year. So as you can see, he received like 2 message, read 10 message, and so on. So that's effective. The other user who doesn't have any date, it means it's more. It means they are inactive the more than 180. So it's completely we understand it's inactive for a long time. Okay, if you see some users without that dates, it means it's inactive for the long day. You have to check with HR department to ensure that user not work anymore, and you can sort them and separate them to check with HR. So this is the method one. This is method doesn't require any extra license or anything. We have like second method based on sign-in account, not effective. We can see it from where. If we go to Enter ID, where is it? Enter ID, identity. We can see it in Enter ID. So let's log on by admin address, admin account. And hold on, let me just do the authentication and then I will write back. So from Enter ID, we can go to users and then all users. We have to click in the manage view and edit columns, and we can search here. Like in the last section, we can type like last inactive sign-in time and then check the box, save. You will see the result as you can see here. We expand the left, so the last sign in. But this method, like to sign in, like via if the user sign in, like in the web page, in other computer, in the browser, I think so. But this is method require some license. Let's get more details on this article from Microsoft. So this is prerequisites. It's like need Enter ID plan 1 or 2. This is not. It's most of the regular license like, doesn't include that, but the first method is effective and easy and doesn't require any less license for it. That's all for this video. Take care. See you later.